you doing? There's a fire. We gotta go.
Fire starts to burn, right? And it starts to spread. She gonna bring that attitude home. You don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to burn, right? And it starts to spread, she gonna bring that attitude home. You don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to burn, right? And it starts to spread, she gonna bring that attitude home. You don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to burn, right? And it starts to spread, she gonna bring that attitude home. You don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to When a fire starts to
If I didn't have this red smoke alarm, I wouldn't be alive today.
Hey. You're still here. Yeah, cool.
What are you cooking?
Some bacon.
Go to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Got an idea. This will set it off for sure. Oh, yeah, I'm getting the miss. 60% of the time, works every time. Nice.
Like a glove.
So I just want to say, woo, congratulations, Claire. Let's see the ring one more time. You should see the surprise we have in store for you.
Oh yes! 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 Oh!
Good students, my name is Professor Mustache, and today we'll be talking about how not to win and how not to come last.
Hey, he kind of looks like you.
What are you talking about?
Does anyone have any idea what this guy's saying?
Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah.
Bro, you search that up.
Hey, I got an idea. We could have toast.
Toast.
Pudding.
Fire alarm! Get out now! Yes!
That is how you get out of lecture.
Hey, for the toast?
This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on.
Hey, my name's Isaac, this is Messi. We've been nominated to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. Such a worthy cause. Well, I'd like to nominate Max.
And I want to nominate Ocean.
Yeah, you have 24 hours.
Get around it.
They going for that smoke alarm system.
Hello, and welcome to 6 o'clock news. I'm Chlamydia.
And I'm Salmonella. On tonight's show, we interview one-on-one with Australia's most notorious pyromaniac, Stephen Byrne.
Oh, Sal's right. The ARIA smoke system made and broke my career, but it did also put my name on the map. Gee, I'm still so excited to be here to talk to these guys today, though.
But first, we have a special on the RES fire alarm systems. They're saving many lives, and we're crossing live to our favorite reporter, Steph. Wow, talk about having your nipples rubbed.
I know, me and that cow have a lot in common.
And we'll be back right after the break. I'm sure over your nipples later on.
Okay.
What are you doing after the night?
Love you.
Oh, well, we're gonna see if you want to get a nice little dinner.
I can feel the last Horcrux. I can feel it in my palms.
Manny, you're really figuring this out.
I'm wrong.
Where are all the others? I just destroyed the Ponzi Horcrux. Yay! The others are on their way.
Nimbus 2000.
Harry!
Harry! Just destroyed the Sorrento Horcrux.
And the shore.
Oh, awesome! All that's left is the res smoke alarm. The last Horcrux.
That was the first one today.
Who are you?
I'm from Slytherin.
It's nice to